Hey guys, hope you guys are all doing well. So I'm just showing you guys a trade setup that happened today in London session using the same strategy that I showed you last week. So this was a setup that I took, and basically beautiful setup. As you can see, the band gave me a signal. My MA changed color, so the moving average changed from orange to blue. And this is where the signal came in exactly after this candle closed. Okay, and then basically I'll just show you how the trade developed. This is a super easy system that I use on gold or any other pair. That you can use it on any pair. It's not just for gold, but I like to trade it on gold because of the tight narrow spread that I have luckily with my broker that I use. Link is down below if you want to check that out. So this is how the trade developed. As you can see, a nice push up. So this is 45 minutes into London session. As we go on, trade progresses. One of the students never got in, so he was unlucky not to get in this trade, but he did. I did send him the setup, but it was a little bit too late. I don't send signals out, but I just showed him the actual setup, how it developed. So this is how it developed more. And as you can see, it almost hit target. Unfortunately, it didn't reach target and it reversed, but I got out at a 1 to 2.1. Okay, my target was set at a 1 to 2.4, I think it was, just at that previous high. But luckily I scaled out, took 80% profits roughly at this point, and then got out just because of the volatility in London session. Also trading this 5 minute time frame, you don't want to be in too long. So I don't get too greedy on my trades. So beautiful 1 to 2.1 for me. So yeah, guys, beautiful strategy, very simple to follow. I'll just show you what the market is looking like now. So as you can see, this is what the market is looking like now at present. Okay, so we're starting to get some signals coming up here, but one of the rules is with my strategy is to wait for the MA to change color first. So as you can see, a lot of guys who use this band will start taking trades at this point. But that's a big way that you can fail with this band. So I wait for the MA to change color first, like in the previous setup that I showed, then I hop in, but I also look at price action. So this whole strategy is shown to you in my training. The link is down below if you're interested in taking this training on this strategy, getting all the indicators and everything. There's a video where I explain the whole strategy to you. Super affordable, but a brilliant strategy, very simple to use for beginners or like veteran traders who are struggling with their current strategy and just looking for something fresh and new. So link is down below, guys. Flick me a message on Telegram, and then I'll hand the strategy over to you. Have a great week, guys. Catch you soon.